Tron is sitting right on top of a level that's about to decide everything. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this zone matters more than almost any other level on the chart right now. Stick with me because the setup we're about to walk through has been building for over a year. Let's rewind to where this story really begins. On 1 December 2024, Tron printed a low at 0.2024. What happened next was violent. A powerful rally exploded out of that low and drove price straight into Tron's all-time high just 3 days later, on 4 December 2024 at 0.4595. It looked unstoppable. It wasn't. In just 2 months, the market gave back every single gain from that rally, bottoming on 3 February 2025 at 0.2010. Look closely at that number. It's just below the 1 December low. That wasn't a random breakdown. That was a liquidity sweep, engineered to run stops below the prior low before reversing. And here's the part that matters most. That 3 February 2025 low has never been broken since. To this day, it stands as Tron's major structural low. Keep that number in your head. We're coming back to it. From that February low, buyers took control. Over the following 6 months, March, April, May, July, and August, Tron built a staircase of higher monthly highs, eventually topping out on 14 August 2025 at 0.3707. That level didn't just mark a high, it became a ceiling. And as you're about to see, it's still shaping Tron's price action a full year later. Now here's where the chart gets interesting. Connect the 4 December 2024 high to the 14 August high, and you get a trend line, a pivotal descending line that Tron simply could not close above. Buyers tried 3 separate times. First, on 13 September 2025 at 0.3555, rejected. Then on 6 October 2025 at 0.3482, rejected again. And finally, on 19 January 2026 at 0.3213, rejected a third time. 3 failed attempts, 3 retreats. But here's a truth every trader needs to internalize. Trend lines don't hold forever. The more times a line gets tested, the closer it gets to breaking. Every touch weakens it. After that third rejection, price pulled back and carved out a low in December. Then, right at the start of February 2026, Tron did something we'd already seen before. It swept the 14 December 2025 low, hunting liquidity beneath it one more time. But this time was different. Buyers stepped in hard, momentum built, and Tron finally did what it couldn't do 3 times before. It broke clean through that year-long trend line. A trend line that had rejected every single attempt for over 12 months finally gave way. And once it broke, February, March, April, and May all saw progressive, sustained buying. That rally peaked on 26 May 2026 at 0.3769. Now watch this. Remember the 14 August 2025 high at 0.3707? May's peak of 0.3769 swept straight past it, another liquidity sweep to the upside, clearing out the old high before the market turned. From there, Tron rolled over into an 11 June low. Since that June low, price has been grinding sideways, range-bound, patient. But in August 2026, Tron woke up, rallying hard straight into our Fibonacci resistance zone between 0.3363 and 0.3367, and that's exactly where price is sitting right now. This is the battle line. So here's the two-sided setup you need to have mapped out before this resolves. If Tron breaks through this Fibonacci zone and holds several closes above it, the path opens up to challenge the June top first, then push towards the higher May top above that. That's the bullish continuation scenario. But if Tron rejects here and falls away sharply, there's a very specific level we're watching on the downside, the same trend line that held for over a year, now revisited from above. That trend line lines up almost perfectly with a second Fibonacci support zone between 0.2772 and 0.2792. If price comes back down, that's the zone where we'd expect buyers to defend. In the short term, we're leaning towards Tron cooling off here rather than breaking straight through, but don't mistake that for a bearish long-term call. Tron remains one of the strongest cryptocurrencies in this market. If it does pull back into that lower zone, that's not a warning sign. For investors, that could be a golden opportunity to accumulate Tron at a serious discount, and that's exactly where our attention is focused right now. So what's your call? Does Tron break through resistance and run at the May high, or does it fall back to retest that trend line and challenge our Fibonacci support zone? Drop your Tron outlook in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto chart analysis, where we focus on Fibonacci, market structure, and price action, not hype. We also publish a daily crypto trading newsletter, just a 5-minute read to keep your finger on the crypto pulse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow in analysis.